How we doing, everybody? Welcome back to the Catalyst. I know this is the second upload of the day. This is a little pattern I noticed this afternoon checking out Link. Link is already up 5% on the day, but we are seeing a cup and handle pattern start to break out here. So we're on the 4-hourly, and you can actually see it on the daily as well. You see here we have our big bowl of the cup. The handle is starting to form. We're actually breaking out of the handle today because we're up so much, which is very, very positive news for us to see. So normally what we want to see is a break of that previous resistance that we saw. So you see these wicks here testing that resistance. That's what formed the handle on the cup. And now we are due for an increase, something close to the depth of the cup. So that's this line we see here. And then we see that going off of the break of the top of the bowl or the cup there. So this is obviously great news for us. Link has been somewhat of a slow burn, ever since we bottomed out about $12 or $13 or so, and we've been kind of just steadily growing up with the market. Market then tanked again, and then we bounced back down. That's what formed the cup here. Now you see the handle forming, as I said. And like I said, we do see this breakout happening of the handle. So we see we got faked out a bit down there, but now we bounced back into the handle, and now we're actually breaking out. So assuming this is not a fake out, and we do break this resistance here, I would look for Chainlink to actually hit the next fib level, or actually two fib levels up in the $44 range. There is a chance that we could do something like this, where we break through it at some point, hit some resistance at the other fib, and come back down and then go. But ultimately, I think there is a reasonable expectation that we're going to actually finally break this resistance, find some resistance here, maybe find some support, and then kind of continue up and do whatever it's going to do after that. But yeah, look for us to break this resistance line. I think now that we've flipped positive on the handle here, it's a pretty safe entry. So you could secure a couple more gains, potentially between here and the resistance. That's a nice little 5 or 6% increase. But ultimately, the big play here, whether it's the next couple days or even week or so, we are looking for gains upwards of 40% if we do hit that $44 mark. Super, super nice. And Chainlink is one, it's not a meme coin. It has amazing utility, a great team. It is definitely one that I would consider, even if you wanted to hodl it forever, or very long term, post this bull market. But this is some nice gains you can make in the short term, and it's not one that I'm fearful of long term. I think it's here to stay. So either way, I think Chainlink is a solid buy regardless. But right now we see some potential future gains for us as the market's heating up a bit going into November, December. I think Chainlink is going to be a big player here. People are targeting, Chainlink upwards of $100 or $200 even. And this would be the beginning of that rally, is this cup and handle pattern playing out and us breaking some fib levels. So that is all I got for you guys for Chainlink today, and stay tuned for some more content. Otherwise, we'll catch you next time. Peace.